The next session that we'll be covering is using Kaltura Media in Blackboard Learn, and Brett Stevens will be covering that. Brett?
Hello everyone, thank you for sticking with us. I'm going to be covering using Kaltura Media in your Blackboard Learn courses. Kaltura is our video streaming and storage solution here at UM. The library is using it to transfer some of their digital collection over into a new streaming format, and we're using it as an integration in Blackboard so you can offer securely controlled video to your students within your courses. So the easiest way to access to add Kaltura Media to your courses is through the content editor mashup. You'll see here that we click on the mashups fold on here and click on Kaltura Media. And then we're given a screen where we can either select previously uploaded videos or we can add new media. And you can do that either by uploading a video file, recording from your webcam, or even recording your screen, which you can do a voiceover for that as well if you want to demonstrate something on your computer. And once we select to upload a video, we just go there and we select our video that we're going to upload. And then you'll see here it has a little crawl to show you the percentage that's uploaded. If you're uploading a very long video file, it may take a while, and then you'll have to check back on your computer to make sure your upload went through properly. But smaller videos, it's very fast. They use some of the best content delivery networks out there to get this video content to your students. And once that's done, we can go through and edit the title of the okay, going back, Manny said, is to access Kaltura. I'm going to be doing a live demonstration as well, so I'll go over that, but let me skip back. Here in the content editor, you have a drop-down called Mashups here, and Kaltura Media is at the bottom of it.
So Brett, you went to the folder, whatever, you added a content item, and this came up, and then you could put in your Kaltura Media. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay.
So once we have it uploaded, we can edit the title of the video and add a description or tags if we'd like. And then we're given some options to set here. Mainly it's just if you want to show the title and description you just put in, or if you want to have it just say watch video and show a little thumbnail there. You have a yes or no for show media information and show media description and tags. And then once you click submit, it'll take you back to the content editor. And there you can add additional content in the same item if you'd like, so you can have a video to watch and then a description below it. Or you can even have multiple videos within the same content item. So I'm going to do a live demonstration here, just so you guys see that process in practice. I'll share out my desktop and move Collaborate out of that area. And here we have a test course of mine. We're just in the course documents content area. I'm going to go to Build Content and create a content item. And we'll name it. I'm sure you're all familiar with that process. And then here under Mashups, we're going to Kaltura Media. And here you can see all the previous media that I had added, but I'm going to upload a new video. And I'm going to browse for it, select the video and click Open, then click Upload. Okay, the upload's done. I click Next. I'm going to change this to just Nixon Commercial. and add a description there, and click Next. And here I have the option to show the media information or not. Sure, let's leave those checked. It'll show the media information as well as the tags. You'll see here it has a duration of 56 seconds, the date I added it, who added it, and the description that I put there. And so if we wanted to, after all this, we can add more content. And then once I click Submit, you'll see it added here below the other content item. So can I get a green check mark if that made sense to everybody?
We realize we're going pretty fast, but remember that we will put the videos online, and the idea is to just show you a demo of how this all works.
All right, we got 5 check marks, so moving on. Just want to show a couple of instances where it's been used in courses already. Oh, skipping ahead of myself. A couple of things you can do with Kaltura. You can add a personal introduction to your course, give a quick hello and a synopsis of your course to your students that they can watch online. And you can also allow your students to submit video. So you can even have an assignment where they have to record themselves giving a small speech, or they can have a video discussion with each other on a discussion board if you'd like. They can also add this to wikis and journals and such. And the last very important point is that you can control the access to these video files in order to qualify for educational fair use of copyrighted video. So being that we have this system in place that goes beyond YouTube and controlling who can view the video, and of course the access to it is limited to the duration of the course, you have fair use covering you for any video that you upload there. Will you be showing how to create a short video using Blackboard and Kaltura? I can show you the gist of that, but it's not going to work very well within the application sharing here. But I promise you there's a very intuitive process as far as how to record and either your screen or through a webcam. Let me see how that'll look on application sharing and see what I can do for you there. Okay, I'm going to go back here. I'm just going to edit this item. Do another Kaltura media mashup. Add media. I'm going to go to webcam here and select my webcam.
Since he's already using the webcam for the Collaborate session, this will be interesting.
Okay, see the video there? It's very close. And as I click record, it starts recording. You can see the counter going up here. And it's also recording the audio, I believe. I'm not sure if it'll work with Collaborate already grabbing it. But I click stop, click next, give it a name.
And the the motion looked real jerky when we were watching it, Brett, but it isn't because you're a jerk. It's because of the Collaborate and Kaltura working at the time. You are one of the finest people I know.
I appreciate that. I'm glad this is recorded. I'll go back and listen to that later, Bill. So we give that a title and click next. And there you see that it's got my short little video clip that I added there with me talking. And let's see, I believe I can stop application sharing there and go back to the whiteboard. And Doris, did that give you a good feeling for how that would work for you? The screen capture, I'm pretty sure, will fail because it's already doing a sharing of that. I've tried that before using Collaborate and Kaltura, and it does have problems with that.
I didn't mean that you should do it. I meant that Doris, if she wanted to capture the PowerPoint, that she'd be doing a screen capture rather than a webcam.
Yes, I missed your question there. So here's a course that's already been set up using videos in Kaltura. You see that it's Devin Marsh's Music Technology Studies course. He's got 36 videos in there, and he used them as part of his assignments. So they'd watch a video and then answer questions or submit a assignment based on that video. And in Wesley Smith's Principles of Exercise prescription, he was using it to capture his lectures or do a screen recording. I know he did a couple of those. He had 10 videos in his course, and did a very good layout there of all his video lectures. And that's the end of my presentation. Are there any questions?
Thank you, Brett, very much. Kaltura is a wonderful resource. When you upload something like that and don't do anything else with it, it will automatically be limited to access to your students because the link is in your course, so they have to go into your course to find it. Remember that any time that you have a text box and it's got the menu bar at the top, you can go up to the mashups and get to Kaltura, and that includes your students. You don't have to be the instructor. If they have that bar, they should be able to do it as well. So some faculty have used this to do the to have students practice their presentation, right, and submit it ahead of time. And I don't have to be in the classroom or anything, and I don't have to be with the instructor. I can, if it's just a speech thing that I'm doing, I can record myself the way you're seeing me here, but using the webcam option of Kaltura. Or if I'm doing a PowerPoint and I'm going to get up and do the presentation about it, I could record the screen capture and do that, and submit it and let the instructor look at it and see what's going on, give feedback. It's a new resource. We're just getting started with it. The two faculty who are using it have picked it up amazingly. The person in MMI, media and music industry, is that Devin Marsh, I think, is preparing to move his course online. It's just amazing. Okay, well, that wraps up the 3 events. I hope that this has been of some value to you, and I thank you very much for attending and for sticking around for the hour. I did want to mention one thing. If you look at your list of participants, next to Shane's name, you see, and he's one of the instructional designers in academic technologies, which is the same group that we work for. You'll see a unique little icon that looks maybe like a monitor or a button or something, and that means he's watching this from his tablet. So if you do have an iPad or something, you can watch from the tablet, and you can do a lot of the things from it. You can't do quite everything. We can't do it as moderators from a tablet, and I don't think you can use the camera. I couldn't figure out how to use the camera, but there is some nice capabilities there, and when I've had to be away from my desk, I've participated. Okay. Yeah, many need to have more exposure to everything. That's just how technology is, and we hope that if you did find it valuable, you'll spread the word with your cohorts and all. Getting faculty members' attention is very difficult, and I understand that. I was one for 8 years, a long time ago in computer science and statistics at another institution. And you've got so many demands on your time and so many things that we really appreciate your taking time out of your busy schedule to be part of this. We will be putting the recording up, and we'll send you information about where it is. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.